coming in. This, in fact, is a big update in the Delhi CM attack case. There's a video which has now come to fore of a recce that was conducted near the Chief Minister's residence, according to the breaking inputs that we are getting. The video is of a recce that was conducted by the accused of the CM's house, of the CM's residence. He later got an entry into the sabha that the Chief Minister was holding. He entered that sabha, later attacked the Chief Minister, abused her, heckled her. That's what the details suggest. Remember, he has now been placed under arrest. He's been identified as Rajesh Bhai from Gujarat. But this is a video, a CCTV that exposes the conspiracy of the recce that was done before the attack took place. It was a Jan Sunwai at the Chief Minister's residence, where this man approached the Chief Minister during the Jan Sunwai and attacked him. But before that, he did a recce, and that exact moment has been caught on camera. There's a CCTV video now in public domain of the accused carrying out a recce near the Chief Minister's residence. We'll also try and connect with our reporters to get you more details. When the accused attacked the Chief Minister, the security personnel, of course, immediately caught the attacker. He has now been placed under arrest. He has been identified as Rajesh Sakriya from Gujarat. In fact, the family members of Rajesh have admitted that he was upset with the stray dog order, and when his father asked him of his whereabouts, the only thing that he said that he is in Delhi for the dog issue. That's what he told his family members. So based on that, of course, these details are coming to fore that this could be because of the stray dog order. Let me go across to Isha, my colleague, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. There's a video of the recce. It did not just happen, Isha. He did a recce of the Chief Minister's residence. He then also got an entry in the Jan Sunwai. The moment he gets a chance, he attacks the Chief Minister.
Swati, multiple questions coming to the fore regarding the intent of this particular person. The theory of him being a stray dog lover is also coming to the fore, but there is no clarification yet from the authorities as to why this person in particular attacked the Chief Minister. But yes, as the BJP and the authorities were also pointing out, that this is something that was planned well in advance. This is something that a recce was held for. In fact, we did see the visuals on the CCTV as well. This particular man from Gujarat, he did recce the area. He did recce the area and around the Chief Minister's residence, and then entered the particular Jan Suvidha where the Chief Minister was speaking to the common people. The Chief Minister often held such meetings where she would interact with the daily public, where the public of the national capital would address their grievances with the Chief Minister, and he entered into that. And the moment he got a chance, he did attack her, and then he was taken away. And currently he is lodged in the Civil Lines Police Station. He is being questioned about the motive of this, but again, the CCTV definitely confirms that this...
Right. So, Isha, this CCTV is from yesterday, from the 19th of August. The attack took place today. He has done a recce that has been caught on the camera. The other questions that are being raised are on security lapses. How can an individual, and this is my understanding, the Jan Sunwai perhaps is for those who are locals, for the Chief Minister to hear their grievances. So how does somebody from Gujarat get an entry, get an audience with the Chief Minister?
Definitely, Swati, multiple questions coming to the fore and a huge security lapse also coming to the fore. Like, this does speak of the law and order situation in Delhi, politicizing the matter. However, the question that comes to the fore, like we are also asking, is the man from Gujarat entered. So he definitely did covert himself as a citizen of Delhi. He did pretend like he was going to ask a reasonable question of the Chief Minister. He pretended to be somebody who had a genuine grievance, and that is how he entered. But again, a huge security lapse. In fact, questions, a bigger attack could have taken place because there was absolutely no distance between the Chief Minister and the attacker. So yes, a huge security lapse also in the question.
Absolutely. So the accused did a recce. The CCTV is on your screens, and we are given to understand that this is from yesterday, from the 19th of August. He did a recce near the Chief Minister's residence. Today, he somehow took part in the Jan Sunwai, and when he got an opportunity to interact with the Chief Minister, it was the pretext of something about some of his relative being behind the bars. Those are the sketchy details that have come to fore. He attacked, abused and heckled the chief minister of the national capital. Isha continues to be with us on the broadcast. He was prepared, Isha. That's what the CCTV tells you. He was getting a sense of the area of where the chief minister's residence is.
Right, Swati. So, and this is a popular area. This is an area of high security. In fact, the area where the attack took place is also where the LG office is. So this is civil lines where the chief minister stays, where the LG of Delhi stays. So this is a high security area. And for something of this sort to happen in this particular area raises multiple questions. Also, the CCTV, as you were also rightly pointing out, is from the 19th. It's from a day before. So 24 hours, this particular man has done a recce of this place, and the fact that he was doing a recce should have been flagged, should have been noticed, because this was definitely suspicious activity. And the fact that the man did attack the chief minister 24 hours later raises multiple questions. But yes, definitely a huge security lapse, and the monitoring should have been much better so as to avert this particular attack that took place on the chief minister. And as we were also pointing out, it could have been way more serious, but was averted because there was security at the moment. But again, Swati, the question that comes is, why is there such an incident taking place? The national capital, the chief minister of the national capital should not be subjected to something like this.
Isha, stay on with us. Let's also listen into what the accused's mother had to say.
એવું બધું ચકલાન સહેનું ઈ જ કામ કરે ગાયની ધોઈને પાણી પાણી રોટલા પડ્યા હોય આમ ચેરીના બધાને રોટલા લઈ જાય બરાબર હા ઈ જ કામ કરે.
You heard the accused's mother speaking in Gujarati. Accused mother says that he was an animal lover. Then she also says the family had no idea that he was going to go to Delhi. He told the family members initially that he was going to go to Ujjain. When his father called him up to get details of his whereabouts, that's when he said that he was in Delhi. When the father asked, when are you going to come back and why are you in the national capital, he said that it's related to the dog issue. That's all that the attacker told the family members. And it's from here, from the family's claims, that this entire theory of how he was upset because of the stray dog order has come to fore, and perhaps that was the reason behind the attack. That is based on the statement that is coming in from the family members.